Good morning, class. Okay. Today our topic is seven crystal system. Seven crystal system. Okay. Now come to the name of the crystal. First, cubic crystal. Second, tetragonal crystal, orthorhombic crystal, monoclinic crystal, and triclinic crystal, hexagonal crystal, and trigonal crystal. All are remember? First of all, to know the seven crystal system. Okay. Sequence: first, cubic crystal. Second, tetragonal crystal. Third, orthorhombic crystal. Fourth, monoclinic crystal. Fifth, triclinic crystal. Sixth, hexagonal crystal, and last, trigonal crystal. The name of crystal is remembered? Any doubt? Okay. Sequence is clear? Okay. Now come to the edges. Okay. In cubic crystal, the edges are same. Okay, edges are same. That is, A is equal to B is equal to C. To be crystal clear? Okay. Now, first of all, we see all the edges of all the seven crystal system. Okay. First of all, we see the name of crystal. Second, the edges of crystal. Then angle of this respective crystal, and last example. Okay. In cubic crystal, all the edges are equal. Okay. Second, tetragonal, A is equal to B is equal to not is equal to C. Okay. A is equal to B, but B not is equal to C in tetragonal crystal. Clear? Okay. Orthorhombic crystal, in all the edges are not equal. Okay. Continue. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In orthorhombic crystal, all the edges are not equal. Okay. In same thing are applied in monoclinic, triclinic. Okay. Orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic. In this crystal, all the edges are not in equal. That is, A not is equal to B, not is equal to C in orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic. Clear? 1, 2, 3. Now come to the hexagonal crystal. Now repeat tetragonal crystal. What is the property of tetragonal crystal? A is equal to B, B not is equal to C. Same thing is repeat here, hexagonal. Clear? A is equal to B, not is equal to C. Repetition. Now come to the trigonal crystal. In trigonal crystal, same thing is repeat in cubic crystal. The property of cubic crystal. Edges are all equal. That is, A is equal to B is equal to C. Clear? Clear? Now come to the angle of this seven system. Okay. A, B, C represent the edges, and alpha, beta, gamma are represent the angle of this crystal. We know, we also understand, also read the cubic crystal, not cubic crystal, unit cell. Okay. So here alpha, beta, gamma are the angle of this respective crystal. Okay. In cubic crystal, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 19. That means all the angles are perpendicular to each other. Clear? Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. What do you mean by this? Mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. Suppose we take A, B and C like this. Okay. Clear? Second thing, here we remember, okay, continuous three things are same, 1 2 3, that means cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic. Okay, in cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, we seen the angle are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means alpha, beta, gamma are the angle making 90 degree. Okay, clear? Three things is clear, same. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. Okay, continue. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Three things is clear. Now come to the monoclinic, triclinic. Monoclinic, triclinic. In monoclinic, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90, but not is equal to gamma. Okay. Now triclinic, very clear. Okay, triclinic, that means all the angles are not the same, that is not a mutually perpendicular. That means alpha not is equal to beta, not is equal to gamma, not is equal to 90 degree. That means every edges are different, so also angle is different. Okay, now come to the hexagonal crystal. In hexagonal crystal only two angles are perpendicular, but other angle is not perpendicular. That means alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now come to the trigonal crystal. In trigonal crystal, okay, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, not is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now come to the example of all the 7 crystal. Okay, cubic crystal, we see very famous example, NaCl, okay, salt, and CaF2, that means calcium chloride. Remember? What is the example of cubic crystal? Example, NaCl and CaF2, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride and sodium chloride are the example of cubic crystal. Now tetragonal crystal, examples are nickel sulfate and tin oxide, that means NiSO4 and SnO2, tin oxide are the example of tetragonal crystal. Now come to the orthorhombic crystal. Orthorhombic, potassium nitrate and BaSO4, barium sulfate and potassium nitrate are the example of orthorhombic. In your exam, this is a very famous question. Okay, and most important topic, 7 crystal system. Okay, example clear? Now come to the next, monoclinic crystal, Na2SO4 and FeSO4. What is Na2SO4? Sodium sulfate and ferrous sulfate. What is the example of monoclinic? Sodium sulfate and ferrous sulfate. Now come to the triclinic, CuSO4 and K2Cr2OCN. What is CuSO4? Copper sulfate and potassium dichromate. Now hexagonal, SiO2, silicon oxide, silver iodide, zinc, cadmium. Okay, trigonal crystal, CaSO4, calcium कैल्शियम एंड एंटीमनी, एंटीमनी आर से आर्सेनिक। ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स आर क्लियर? एनी डाउट? दिस इज वेरी very important topic, 7 crystal system. Last time again we repeat very short respective regarding 7 crystal system. Again we know the name of the crystal. First, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal and last trigonal. The name of crystal is clear? Okay, similar things, A B C all are equal, A B equal but C is not equal. Again 3 continue, not unequal. Last repeat this thing here and repeat last thing is here. Very easy trick to remember all the 7 systems, very easy things. Okay, first thing, you write ABC 7 time, ABC 7 time, mention is equal to, then first thing is all equal, last is all equal, second is C not is equal, second last is not unequal, but in 3 all are not in equal. Okay, same thing is in angle, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 respectively. Okay, but very different. Okay, so this class is clear? Any doubt regarding any place or point? Anyone? If any doubt, ask me. Close the session. Okay, thank you class. Okay.